There's an abscess right here. There's an abscess developing here. You see this nice bone right here? It's nice and healthy. This is nice and healthy. But there's an abscess here. There's an abscess here.
Is it because it's a little darker on the bottom?
Yeah, you see this little right here?
Oh, okay.
Compared to this right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there an abscess here? No.
So we're almost looking at the consistency of the gray area?
You're looking at how white or dark it is. Is there an abscess here? No. There's nothing here. This is just denser bone. This is their natural bone right here. If you see something that's dark like this, and it has an outline just like this,
Mm-hmm.
then that's an abscess. This in itself is not an abscess. This is just hollow bone. There's lots of holes in this person's bone. This is dense bone. There's not a hole in that bone. Remember, how dense your bone is will tell you how white the bone is on an x-ray. Did I answer your question?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You see this? This bone? It's clean and healthy. You don't see any balloon of darkness here.
So that white spot on the enamel, is that a cavity?
This
That's
right
been
here?
filled?
No, it's just a dense spot. Remember, anything white on your X-ray is dense. Dense, whatever it is. It may be metal. It may be a big chunk of enamel. It's not bad. Okay. This is not an abscess. Okay. Let me tell you why this is not an abscess. Our tooth has millions of ligaments holding it into the bone. It's not a solid connection from bone to tooth. There's millions of ligaments around there. That ligament space, we call it, what the heck would we call it? Periodontal space, right? It's been so long since I've done perio, I don't remember. It's the periodontal ligament space. Periodontal ligament space. Patients don't have to know that. But that's normal all the way around there. Now when you see, well, what's the difference between this here and this right here? Well, this has had a lot of trauma to it, a lot of pressure to it. That's why it's opened up a little bit. It's kind of like if you put a post into the ground and you just stomp on it a little bit, that hole's going to get bigger and bigger. Same thing here, but that is not an abscess, right? That is an abscess. You see the difference?
Mm-hmm.
This is not an abscess. This is a periodontal ligament space. No big. This is an abscess. This is the beginning of an abscess. Okay? All right.